We all want beautiful, glowing and smooth skin. If you also want it, then this video is for you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pooja, and in this video I'm going to introduce with you, show you India's most trustable and well-known beauty product, which is Plum Goodness. So here we go. I open this box and let's see how is the packaging. And they send me all the product in this eco-friendly box. So this is so good. So let's go and enter in this video and let's see the products.
These are my most favorite Plum beauty products.
So at first I show you the face wash.
It's really very foaming, and this is Plum Saffron and Papaya Glow Bright Face Wash. It's newly launched and it's very effective. It enhances glow brightness in your skin with vitamin B5 and glycerin. The smell is wow. Very gentle on your skin. Just apply it and wash it.
Then I'm going to show you.
This is Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. All the products are 100% vegan and cruelty free. This lightweighted green tea is hydrate your skin and fight with acne over a night. It's non-sticky and gel texture, and the fragrance is so fresh. Because it's non-sticky, so it's easily absorbed in your skin. Ingredients like licorice rice is a brightness for skin, and glycolic acid remove dead cells from skin. Will your bark soothe acne and inflammation?
And this is the third product.
This is Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. It's especially for comby, oily, acne-prone skin. Because matte matters, so it's silicone-free matte finish moisturizer with hand-picked non-comedogenic ingredients. It's daily pleasant after feel, non-shiny finish and acne combat. The ingredients like green tea extract and glycolic acid keep skin healthy and prevent oxidative stress that can cause acne. It's lightweighted and easily absorbed in your skin. You can see it. Get good with the beauty and Plum Goodness. They also have their own personal website, which is plumgoodness.com. You can check, and there is a huge discount and huge offers are running. So check my description. I will give the link below. Use the product daily basis and get a smooth and glowing, also miraculous skin. I just love to use Plum. Get vegan product, cruelty free, and skip the toxic. Keep beauty real. Get multiple offer and exciting free vibes with every order. Save big on effective vegan formulation for skin, hair and body.
So guys, hope you like this video and this video is helpful for you. Then don't forget to do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also there is many more interesting and helpful videos for you, so do subscribe and on the bell icon, and you can also follow me on my social media pages. Links are on my description, so go and check my description. So meet with you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.